Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be telling you whether you can buy the Realme X2 Pro right now in the Flipkart Big Savings Day or not. So right now, friends, with the Flipkart Big Savings Day offers going on, you can buy the Realme X2 Pro, the base variant, for about 27,500 rupees. So for 27,500 rupees, is a device worth of buying or not? So right now in this video, I'll be discussing all of these topics. Till try to watch till end of the video if you are seriously interested to buy this phone for yourself or for your friends or for your cousins or for parents. Definitely I'll cover all of them in this video, so try to watch till end of the video definitely if you want to know more details about the Realme X2 Pro device as well. So as you can see, friends, there are plenty of playlists available in my channel for each and every smartphone. So try to check the playlist of even for the wallpapers what I am using currently in all of my phones. So try to check the wallpaper playlist and Realme X2 Pro playlist as well. So first let's talk about the software updates. The reason why I selected the software updates is my top priority, because if you buy a phone for this kind of huge amount of price, definitely you should be able to use for the next 2 to 3 years, and the software should be updated regularly from the company. And Realme is very good in terms of the updating the software to their mobile phones. It doesn't matter high end or low end. For example, I got the Realme X smartphone for the last 1 year, and still now even I'll be receiving the updates regularly in the Realme X phone. So overall, in terms of the software update segment, I'm pretty much happy. So 5 out of 5 I can definitely give for the Realme X2 Pro and Realme company for giving regular updates. So next is a battery and charging. So definitely before days I used to discuss only concentrate on the battery backup, but right now with the charging speed rates is increasing every day, single day. Definitely now your phone should have minimum of 30 watts. But in the Realme X2 Pro, you are very good enough to have 50 watt fast charging. The phone can actually charge 30 within 35 minutes. So from the beginning of the day to till now, I did not have any issues with the charging speed or battery backup. I used to use the 90 Hz refresh rate most of the time. Every time I use regularly as well. Even with the 90 Hz refresh rate, I used to get the battery life of 6 to 7 hours of screen on time without any problem. So which is also decent enough, and charging speeds also very good. 35 minutes, it's super good. Even for next 2 years, if you use this phone, the 50 watts charger will definitely justify for this phone for this kind of price range. So next is a performance. In terms of the performance, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is also pretty good in handling even high refresh rate games as well. There are few games which actually do support the high refresh rate at the moment. So right now even I'm playing this game actually supports the 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So right now you can see 90 FPS right now I'm playing. So this can be very small game, but still there are plenty of very big games which I played in the Realme X2 Pro without any problem. I was using this phone for the past, I think, close to 10 months of using this Realme X2 Pro. Till now I did not have any issues with in terms of the performance at all. So overall, I think I am using more than 150 plus applications right now in my phone. So without any problem, all the applications will open and close very faster and everything. So no issues with the processor. Or Snapdragon 855 Plus processor should be future proof for the next 2 to 3 years. Next is a display. In terms of the display, the phone comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and which has a very good visibility as well, and saturation colors and contrast, which has high brightness. 1000 nits of brightness is very much higher in the outdoor visibility. Should be without any problem, should be good without any problem. And even it has got HDR10 plus certified, which will give you very good saturated and contrast colors, as you can see, friends, right now, which looks fantastic in terms of the display. Overall, I am very much happy with the display. So even for the next 2 years, the HDR10 plus certified and 1000 nits brightness and 90 Hz refresh rate should be good for the next 2 years without any problem. So overall, in terms of the display also, I am very happy. And next is the camera. So nowadays, if you want to use for the phone for the next 2 to 3 years, definitely you should have the camera which has a quad camera setup, as you can see. So that is also satisfied in the Realme X2 Pro. Quad camera setup is good, and it has got 4K at 60 FPS of recording and 960 FPS of slow motion recording. So that is also another future proof option which you have got in the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, friends, 4K, 60 and 30 FPS. So which is also very good thing in terms of having the higher FPS recording. So overall in terms of the camera also I'm very much happy. Even the low light performance and everything, zooming and everything is good with this phone without any issues. So next is the connectivity and the Wi-Fi and 4G. In terms of the 4G speeds, I regularly get around 120 Mbps without any problem. So let me try to open the speed test application and show you the results how I am getting, so you can understand with this phone. So overall, I used to get a very decent enough of, I think, 150 Mbps and even 180, 191 as well. As you can see, 191. These with the 4G connection. So overall, I used to get 200 Mbps as well sometimes. So the 4G connection is pretty good in the Realme X2 Pro. Definitely, it looks a very solid connection. And next is the Wi-Fi. In terms of the Wi-Fi, the Realme X2 Pro has a dual Wi-Fi connection setup. So which means you can use two Wi-Fi networks connected to the Realme X2 Pro at same time, and it will increase the internet speed for the following supported application. For example, if you are downloading movies in the offline in the Prime Video, and if you are connected to two Wi-Fi's, then the download speed will increase. So this is also very added bonus advantage in the Realme X2 Pro, which has dual Wi-Fi connection. Definitely friends, this is a very good option which has got in the Realme X2 Pro. Next is the build quality. So when talking about the build quality, first thing I noticed, the phone is very good in terms of holding in one hand, and it has got 6.53 inches screen, which is not that too big, I can say, in my opinion. Definitely it has got very small borders as well, so borders are very good, and 3.5mm jack is present, and type C earphones and type C port, and which has got two speaker setup, dual speaker setup. So this is another biggest advantage for the Realme X2 Pro. When you're watching the videos in full screen with a loudspeaker setup, then definitely you will be loving watching the videos with a loudspeaker only, friends, because the loudspeaker is pretty good in the Realme X2 Pro. You get very good stereo effect setup here when you're watching, and the phone also supports the Dolby Atmos as well. So that is also another added advantage in the Realme X2 Pro phone. As you can see friends, Dolby Atmos is also present, so which is also a good thing. And next is that extra features. So extra features includes like dark mode. Right now you can be easily use dark mode in the third party applications as well. For example, Flipkart, Amazon, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, Facebook, everything should be supported with the dark mode. That is another one advantage. Next is having the black and white mode. So most of the people do not use this black and white mode, but I used to use only when I am reading the Kindle ebooks or any ebooks or PDFs. I used to use the black and white mode. That's also another good thing. And having the dual Wi-Fi connection, and having the Wi-Fi tethering connection, and having the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is very fast enough, and having the Face ID unlocking, which is also pretty good and very fast. Overall, these are the few things which you need to know before buying the Realme X2 Pro for that price, 27,500. So does that price justify of buying the Realme X2 Pro? Yes, definitely, because it has got 50 watts charging and very good display, very good performance processor, 855 plus processor, and also very good connectivity and good speakers and good software updates, regular updates. So overall, all together makes the perfect phone Realme X2 Pro to buy for this kind of price range. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.